Again, not a professional, but you know. I just want something a little better looking than the cracks. That's all we're really going for. You don't have to be perfect. Just, you know, trying to get rid of the old crackage. Huh? That do something magical, maybe? Maybe that'll give it the rough texture I'm looking for? I don't know. We're gonna go with it. I'm gonna take one more, smooth him on out, and just try it. There we go. We're gonna let that set for approximately 30 minutes. I don't know if it's gonna look good or not. We'll find out. We're gonna add some vinyl paint or plastic paint. You know, it says it's good for it, so give us a few minutes. We're also gonna hit that thing, just clean it up, make it right again. Yeah. All right. Give us a few, all right? All right, so she's had about a half an hour-ish to set. And as you can see, she's still the dingy old looking dash mat that she was. But we're gonna fix it, hopefully. Now, our vent turned out beautifully. Oh yeah. Don't buy new parts if you don't have to. Sand them down, wire wheel them, and paint them. Why would you want to buy that vent for like 30 or 40 bucks whenever you can do that for, you know, $6, $7? You know, unless you got money just falling out of your rear end, but we don't. So, wish us luck here. We're gonna spray it. How about a little so high for you? Does that sound good? All right, let's go ahead and do that. Well, kids, sometimes you win and sometimes you lose. I think we won. I mean, overall, she looks pretty darn good. There's a few little fisheye spots here, but you know what? I don't think I'm really gonna look for that whenever I'm driving down the road. Painted there, and don't forget your underside here, because you know, that sticks out too. Now, to put this in perspective for you, that piece is like 160 bucks or something. I don't know how much that VIN is, but it's now brand newish. I bought them both for 30 bucks. Why throw them away? Why not refurbish? I mean, seriously, even our spots that we like, I mean, yeah, it looks a little not great, but what's it worth to you? Is it a show car or is it a pleasure car? Pleasure car, okay? Will be a show car, the 69 back here. Even though we probably won't take it to shows because we'd rather enjoy them and drive the padootie out of them. You know what I mean? So that's where I'm at with it. Anyway, this is a little, you know, don't scrap it, save it kind of deal. Save yourself some money too. These parts are going to fit better than aftermarket, period. These are OEM. These are factory. Always use factory if you can. Refurbish them. They're a lot better. They're made better. So don't get me wrong. Yes, there's plenty of aftermarket parts on this, but 3/4 of the car was missing. It is what it is. So nonetheless, try to stay OEM if you can. If you can't, you gotta do what you gotta do. So hopefully this will help you guys and gals determine, you know, should I junk it? Should I buy a new one? I've seen people fiberglass these dashes, save them with big old cracks in them. If that's your thing, throw some Bondo in it, shave it down, make it flat, throw some plastic in it, wrap it in velvet, you know, fiberglass, whatever. Paint it, make it nice and pretty. You know, anything to save some money and to make it cool and unique. This is, you know, this I love. I think it's really gonna stand out, make it look gooder, and it saved me a bunch of money. Thanks again, Brett. I appreciate it. So guys and gals, just know this. If you don't see an episode, it's because we're trying to make quality over quantity, okay? We have a very exciting episode, hopefully involving this. I think we found the correct dry shaft, and we did not spend a bunch of money. So anyway, that's for another day. Thank you guys and gals for watching. We'll see you next time here on Right Turn Garage TV. Y'all have a great weekend.